Intro. This video is a continuation of part 1. It presents various narratives, yet always leads to the same conclusion. Throughout my travels, I've observed that people adopt numerous stories, similar to the diverse religions around the globe. Everyone believes their perspective is the correct one, and that's perfectly fine. However, there exists only one truth. This truth encompasses the heart's rhythm, the body's breath, and the clarity of the mind. Some individuals seek the truth, while others prefer accepting the current state of affairs. They resist change, even when it will benefit future generations. The first step involves choosing the narrative that resonates with you. The initial step is reconnecting with the source and uncovering the fragments of ourselves that have been lost over time. Here on Turtle Island, it is evident that our narrative has been reshaped to fit a story that does not truly reflect the children of the great mother of all. This alteration explains the significant upheaval we are currently observing. To move forward, our minds and bodies need to be freed of the half-truths and false narratives imposed upon us. In truth, each of us possesses unique gifts and talents, eagerly awaiting rediscovery. Our collective forgetting has led to this state of amnesia, and those who benefited from it were determined to keep us from remembering our true selves. This society bombards us with daily distractions, fears, shocks, and horrors to divert our attention from self-discovery. Instead of guiding us inward to uncover our true selves, we remain fixated on external chaos. I want to clarify that I'm not assigning blame to anyone. It is essential to recognize that we have the power to piece together a better world. We can create the utopia we are meant to inhabit. We must remember that the divine feminine represents creativity and serves as the gateway for all humanity. Meanwhile, the sacred masculine provides structure and guidance for what has been manifested. This reflects the divine order in our lives. Have you ever heard the saying, "When we change ourselves, we change the world"? As matriarchs, it's crucial to set aside our differences and unite to heal ourselves and the planet. The enormous energy we possess in unison will transform our world overnight. The integration of the divine feminine and sacred masculine is crucial for establishing a new world. This world will be rooted in love and respect for nature, guided by the principles of Ma'at. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more informative videos. Thank you. This concludes part 2.